Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about one of the most important skill that you should develop as a designer. Before we start the video, let me know if you're liking this sort of vlog style videos, smaller vlog style videos. This is different from those tutorial videos that I usually post, but let me know if you're liking this so that I'll continue making this. Let me know your suggestions as well in the comments, or new topics if you want to suggest in the comments below. So yeah, let's get started. So one of the most important skill that you should develop as a designer is basically observation skills. And unlike other skills that you develop as a designer, basically UI skills, interaction design skill, observation skill takes time and it takes a gradual effort to build it up and you become master of it. As a designer, you should have an impeccable eye for figuring out the changes as well as details. Observation skills help you in that. Over the period of time, you will notice when you start practicing this on a daily basis, you will notice a really gradual change in your design thinking as well, because it improves design thinking a lot. What I've seen typically in new designers, young designers, as well as the senior designers as well, sometimes in senior designers as well, that they try to be designers only in like a time frame. So what that means is basically they try to be designer in a 9 to 5 framework when they're working on a project, or when they're giving an interview. So they try to be designers in that, and they sometimes, a lot of them miserably fail in that because they haven't built that observation skills in them so that they can counter the questions that are coming to them. And most of them are like really general questions that you find on a day-to-day basis in design interviews. So observation skill is something that you should develop as a designer, and that's one of the most important properties for you as well. Now you must be wondering, okay Akash, observation skill is something that we should develop, but how should we practice it? You should practice it first of all daily. And let me just give you a very simple example. Let's say you are going to an airport and you see those badges, right? Those sign informations where it says gate number X is here, gate number Y is there, terminal 1, 2 is here. Or when you see those flight information departing from, even your flight tickets, right? Just see if whatever the design has been made on that, like whatever the signage copy is, does that make sense? Is it making your life easier? Is it helping it out? Try to figure out what font they have used. Is that font legible from a longer distance? Is the design of that airport ticket that you are checking out, is that make sense? How does it work for older people? Is that airport, let's say, disabled friendly or not? So this is just one example. If you try to figure out these things, try to create mental model of these things that you like, things that you don't like, you'll soon realize that you start observing more and more. So that's one of the example. And you should observe everything around you, be it a digital product, be it a physical product. Everything has an experience associated with it. So not just digital product, even physical products have a user experience associated with it. So try to observe things, try to observe changes in a daily basis. Let's say you're using an app, right? And you love the app. If there's a new app update, just figure out what have changed. Is a change something that you really like or something that you don't like? The apps that you're using on a daily basis, what is something that you like about them? What is something you really dislike about them? For example, I use Amazon for most of my shopping. I like Amazon because of their delivery and their payment flow. It never fucks up. Whereas I don't like Amazon for fashion shopping because it's really terrible on it. So every digital product even that you're using will have some good things, some bad things. So note it down, have a copy, just carry a small notebook. Whenever you find some observation, just note it down, figure it out. Something that is bothering you, some things that have changed, just note it down. And always when you're figuring these things out, always try to form an opinion. Opinion whether something that has been done is good, something that has been done is bad. And try to put up in a forum, let's say on Twitter, and have a healthy debate on it. It's okay if you are, let's say, if you're wrong in making an opinion. But always make sure that you build some sort of opinion, some sort of thought, and some sort of interaction with others so that you can start a dialogue with them. And that will really help you becoming a good designer and building a good thinking process, right? People who don't have any opinion usually are the one who sucks in the end. So doesn't matter if your opinion is right or wrong, just try to build some opinion, have a conversation around it. And yeah, observation skill is the one most important skill that you should develop as a designer, because it takes time. Unlike your other skills as like UI design and interaction design, this one takes a lot of time to develop and takes a lot of time to master. So that's my recommendation for you. I hope you like my small blabber talk here. If you liked it, let me know in the comments so that I'll keep making more, and if not, thumbs down the video, that will be fine. And I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.